Joy to Hawaii, Christmas in the Aloha State. Before the Hawaiians celebrated the Christmas holiday as we know it today, they had a festival called Makahiki. Makahiki lasted around 4 months, and during which all wars were forbidden. The season had the essence of peace and goodwill to all men, a sentiment very relevant to the concept of Christmas in the Western Hemisphere. In traditional Hawaiian culture, this time of year marks the beginning of the Hawaiian lunar year. For Makahiki, this season was dedicated to the god of fertility, agriculture, and peace. With the colonization of Hawaii came new traditions, religions, and holidays. As Hawaiian's phonological system doesn't have the R or the S sounds of English, the phrase Mele Kalikimaka was the way that Hawaiians could say Merry Christmas in their native language. In 1950, the phrase was made even more popular by the famous Bing Crosby recording that we all know and love. 9 years later, Hawaii would become the 50th state of the United States. It is through this era of Western influence that we pay tribute to Hawaii tonight, with great respect for the luau and the black key guitar, with reverence to the resounding Polynesian chant and drums. Tonight, we focus on the Hawaii of the Andrews Sisters, the Hawaii of Elvis Presley, and of course, the Beach Boys.